The SERO is the new generation of privacy blockchain that supports smart contract and enables issuance of privacy coins and anonymous assets. SERO uses zero-knowledge proof, which is an encryption method that outperforms the one used by Zcash. With the anonymous default trading, SERO is the world's first truly privacy protection platform for decentralized applications. SERO also adopts the most advanced POW+POS consensus, whose network security and performance are much better than POW consensus-based blockchain. The project was invested by former RIG co-founder Mr. Suiyang Zhang, LD Capital and Quantum Investment Fund. It is now collaborating with major mining pools such as F2 Pool. When comparing this technology to the blockchain privacy protection technologies already in existence, SERO can not only bring privacy protection of information on account and transaction into reality but also gives support to Turing complete smart contracts. Furthermore, encrypted cryptocurrency giving support to smart contracts can also be invented by developers using SERO chain. What SERO will offer? Outside a protocol, a disseminated DNS framework that can utilize existing peer-to-peer network information data, has the elements of IP programmed switching and dynamic tending to, opposes aggressive blocking, and empowers the whole information transmission system to accomplish the perfect stable security. Amongst the design principles of SERO is the UN traceability features. Each transaction in the blockchain ecosystem has an input and output, hence SERO is created to break the connection between two transactions and making it impossible to attack. Castral Protocol, the mysterious protection of IP locations can be acknowledged through decentralized system, which can be utilized to ensure the security of physical nodes in both centralized and decentralized systems. SERO utilizes encryption innovation to make the payment address inconsequential. SERO also must totally hide the location and the connection between addresses by innovative methods. Practicality principles: SERO, while concealing the transaction information, won't take all the data into its extension, which can be uneconomical and wasteful. SERO will think about the client's existing use propensities and worries to complete innovative work intermittently. SERO ecosystem data transactions are encrypted. Non-trading parties will not know the details of source, destination, asset type, amount, etc. The system does not differentiate between assets generated by smart contracts and SERO's own assets in transaction processing. SERO Online Smart Contract can also be utilized for public calculations, to create statistical plans, rules for different section. SERO smart contracts are compatible with Ethereum smart contract instructions. SERO's offline smart contracts can only be run on the user's machine. The calculation rules are only shown to some users, and the consensus verifies the correctness of the results. SERO also plans to innovate and introduce secure multi-party computing, SMC, in the future, in order to create and provide extensive support of off-chain data under the premise of privacy protection. SERO's decentralized wallet application is scheduled to be opened and released in March 2019. SERO also supports developers to generate and issue tokens by themselves. The SERO wallet will support the main token and other SERO-based token. Another uniqueness and solutions is the multi-chain system, which will allow SERO to have access and capability to replace centralized issues with better performance. SERO token allocation. SERO has a total supply of 1 billion, far more than what is offered by Zcash, which has a total amount of 21 million. The allocation of SERO token puts into consideration the interests of miners and the development of ecological construction. Below is its distribution scheme, which is considered relatively fair. Total 1 billion SERO coins. 80% reserved for miners, a total of 800 million SERO, will be released over 101 years. 10% reserved for founder and team members, a total of 100 million SERO, will be released over 101 years in proportion to mining. 10% reserved for investors and institutions, a total of 100 million SERO tokens. Conclusion. In my opinion, SERO is uniquely designed to move the crypto world to the next level by creating a coin that can supersede other existing privacy coins such as Dash, Zcash and Monero. Being able to completely support smart contract allowing new developers to create their own privacy token is a great feat that will not only transform the crypto world but will attract more individuals and organizations into the adoption of blockchain technology.